Hi, I'm Troy West, one of the owners here at Alibi Security. You may not know it, but our company has been serving security professionals for over 30 years. Our entire company has been designed to support your success. We realize that only through your success are we able to achieve our mission of making our communities safer, smarter, and more secure. Expect more from your security solutions provider, and you get more when you partner with Alibi Security.
Expect more marketing expertise to help you grow.
Expect more exclusive benefits.
Expect more timely answers.
Our goal is to answer every tech support call in under 2 minutes. Our support team has more than 85 years of experience.
Expect more respect.
Expect more custom services.
This warehouse has lots of gear, so when you need it, you can get it.
We protect your pricing so you can make more money.
With Alibi, talking about money doesn't have to be scary. We got you.
Our sole focus is to help you win more jobs.
We know that behind every order is a real person.
Running a real business.
Serving real customers.
You need help with a big, really big job? Bring it on.
Place your order by 3 o'clock, out the same day. That's how we roll.
We set the bar for customer support. One call, problem solved.
Expect more sales support.
Expect more clouds.
Expect more what?
Expect more clouds.
Expect more clouds.
Clouds?
Yeah, we're embracing new cloud-based security solutions.
These cutting-edge solutions help you bring in new customers and grow your business.
Expect more expert support.
We listen to our customers. Your feedback helps drive the solutions we bring to market.
Alibi partners get access to an exclusive product line.
Do you need hardware pre-installed?
Absolutely. Bring it on.
Do you need any custom configuration for your recorders?
Yeah, we can do that too.
Do you want to put your logo on the gear you sell?
We do that all day long.
Expect more knowledge.
We're centrally located in the great state of Texas, in the USA. We ship quickly, coast to coast.
We're not here just to fix your problems. We're here to educate you.
Sometimes end users call us wanting Alibi gear. We don't sell directly to end users.
So we pass those leads to authorized partners. That means we're sending business directly to you.
Expect more patience.
Our tech support team is located right here, Austin, Texas.
Need help speccing a solution? We do that all day long.
Our service levels are unmatched in the industry.
Expect more awareness.
Expect more leads.
Every product and solution goes through extensive testing before we bring it to market.
We want to know how we can support your growth.
We treat you like business partners and family.
We offer unlimited technical support on any Alibi gear.
Expect more attention to detail.
Expect more quality.
Expect more, yeah, we can do that.
We love what we do, and we're going to have fun helping you grow your business.